Brussels sprout, giant garlic, horseradish, hazelnut tree, wormwood, chamomile, garlic, leeks, more garlic, parsley, volunteer parsley, chives, daffodil, chicken food, their collards, wormwood, squash, trimmed wormwood, squash, kabocha, garlic, rooster, kabocha, more kabocha, parsley, chives, miscellaneous, and a lot of volunteer potatoes, some raspberries coming up, wildflowers, more wild garden, the Brussels sprouts. Oh my gosh, the name of those slipped me. Oh well. Weeds. Here's the potatoes that I planted. And here's the stuff I planted, the squash I planted today. Some old collard buried under the grass. More chives. A pile of dirt that I'm going to knock down one of these days. And let's see, what else have I got over here? Weeds, lots of weeds. The 7-year-old, or the 6-year-old. Let's go see the 6-year-old collard. There it is. Yay, 6 years old this year, this spring. And what else have I got here? Garlic, or leeks. Those are leeks. The leeks are bluish. And I'm noticing that the giant garlic are bluish too, so I get them confused. Anyway, that's about it. Except for the other collard here. Am I making you dizzy? I don't get dizzy very easy. Look here. There's the peas. It worked. Last year the chickens ate all the peas, and this year I figured out how to do it so they wouldn't eat the peas. They ate the pea seeds. I mean, I didn't even have them this tall. So those are doing good. Anyway, I hope you enjoy it. My video, that is. You have a wonderful day.